Hey guys, welcome to Saving History. I'm SCdigger, and we are going to get out today and see if we can't get into something. We've got an old home site here behind me. You can see the big trees here. I don't think it's especially old. Kind of call these sharecropper houses, but I'm hoping maybe at least early 1900s. There's a good chance of maybe getting some silver. And, you don't know. If you don't get out and hunt, you're not going to find the treasure. So I'm out here, and I've got the T2 Classic green here with me today, and we're gonna work this little site a little bit, see what we can get into. Okay, well, I've got my first good target here. I was ringing up a 72 on the T2 green here, and it turns out to be looks like a suspender clip here. So that's promising. Got a big piece of brass. Whoops. Well, can't really tell what it is. Keep going. So you can hear there's a lot of trash in the ground, a lot of iron. That's ringing up a solid 80-81. So we're gonna dig this one up and see what we got. Turns out to be a cap of some kind. Not really sure what. Like an aluminum cap off a bottle. Sounded good. Well, I hadn't had too much to show for today. I got a pocket full of trash, and I do have a target that's not, well, I mean, it's kind of trash, but it's not, well, here, let's just show you. It looks like a harmonica reed. Tell you what, these people were some musical people back in the day. It's all folded up, but hey, there we go. It's a relic. Okay, so I've been digging and digging and digging and digging lots of trash, and I guess this is kind of trash, but it's actually kind of cool too. Let me show you what it is. Actually, I don't know what it is, but you can see right there it says Ford. I don't know, it's part of a running board, or it's some kind of decorative piece off a Ford. So there you go. Well, we worked this site pretty hard today, but didn't have a whole lot to show for it. You know, one of the biggest questions I get about my relic hunting videos is, why don't you put up more? And by golly, I'm telling you, I would if I could. It's always been my philosophy ever since I started doing this pretty long time ago, was that I wasn't going to put up videos unless I really had something to show, and that way, you know, I don't bore you, and I'm, you know, showing you some good digs. But just to prove my point, you know, here's today's digs. There's that suspender clip, that little harmonica reed. You know, I got like a little buckle here, and piece of brass. There's that Ford what's it. But I mean, you've got mason jar pieces and things and more things, and I think that's part of a fuse, and not a Civil War fuse, like an electric fuse. Shotgun shells, mason jar lids, and just, well, crap. So unless you want to see more videos of me digging that stuff, just have to be patient with me, and I'll get some videos up just as soon as I can. We're out here working for you just as hard as we can to bring some good digs to you. So that's the plan, and hopefully we can continue to do that for the next 10 years or longer. So for Saving History, I'm SCdigger.